In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to upload your website and SQL database to HostPapa in a quick and efficient manner. By the end of this tutorial, you'll have your site up and running, complete with a connected SQL database, ready for your audience. So, let's dive right in. First, navigate to the HostPapa dashboard at www.hostpapa dashboard. This is your entry point to managing your web hosting. Once there, you'll need to log in using your email address and password. If you don't already have these credentials, they would have been provided to you when you registered your account. Once you've logged in, look for your hosting plan details and click on My cPanel. cPanel is where you'll manage your files and databases, and it's a crucial part of this process. Inside cPanel, navigate to the Files section and then click on File Manager. This is where you'll upload your website files. In the File Manager, locate and open the public/HTML folder. This is the root directory for your website. Essentially, it's where your site lives. At the top of the page, click on Upload to start bringing your website files over to your hosting account. Now select all the files necessary for your website, such as HTML, PHP, and CSS files from your computer. Once the upload is complete, click Go Back to ensure that your files are visible inside the public/HTML folder. Next, we'll focus on the database aspect. In cPanel, scroll to the Databases section and click on MySQL Databases. Here you can create a new database by entering a name and clicking Create Database. Remember this name. You'll need it shortly. As you scroll down, you'll find MySQL Users. Here, create a new user along with a secure password. It's important to note these details as you'll use them to link your files with the database. After creating your user, you'll need to add it to the database. During this process, select all privileges to give the user full access and then click Make Changes. Giving full privileges is important to ensure the user can perform all necessary operations on the database. Return to cPanel and click on phpMyAdmin under the Databases section. This is where you'll manage your database content. Inside phpMyAdmin, select the database you just created and switch to the Import tab. Now click Choose File and select your SQL file from your computer. This file contains the structure and data for your database. Once selected, click Go to start the import process. You'll know the process is complete when a confirmation message appears stating something like Import has been successfully finished. With your database and website files in place, the next step is to configure your website's settings. Still in File Manager, locate and open your website's configuration file, often named something like config.php or .env. Within this file, update the database settings with your HostPapa credentials, ensuring the correct database name, user, and password are all accurately reflected. After making these changes, be sure to click Save Changes. Now open your domain name in a browser. If everything has been set up correctly, your website should load seamlessly with the database connected. And there you have it. With just a few steps, your site is live and connected to your database, ready to reach its audience.